Hey there! Today, I'm excited to talk about the Kind Science 5-Piece Deluxe Anti-Aging Skincare Set. This set is designed for both day and night care, which is perfect if you're looking for a comprehensive solution for your skin. So, what do you get in this bundle? Well, it includes a hydration cream, firming serum, overnight repair, gentle cleanser, and a micro exfoliant. That's a lot of goodies for just $164. And it's all aimed at giving your skin some serious hydration and anti-aging benefits, especially if you've got dry or sensitive skin. I really like that the hydration cream is supposed to soak your skin in moisture all day long. It's meant to help with firmness and elasticity, which is something we all want as we age. Plus, the firming serum is packed with bakuchiol, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. Those guys are known for diminishing fine lines and giving your skin a smoother texture. Sounds good, right? And let's not forget about the Overnight Repair Night Cream. It's designed to rejuvenate your skin while you sleep, which is pretty appealing. I mean, who wouldn't want to wake up looking refreshed? It's also nice to see that this set has a solid customer rating of 4.3 stars, even though there are specific reviews listed yet. That kind of rating usually means people are happy with what they're getting. I'll be showing you some product images as we go along so you can see what these items look like. Overall, I think this set is a great investment if you're serious about upgrading your skincare routine. With all this in mind, if you're looking for effective products that are fragrance-free and cruelty-free, I'd definitely recommend giving the Kind Science set a try. Trust me, your skin will thank you.